project, I had the opportunity to visit the Vanishing Ice Museum. Often climate change is presented as an inevitable disaster, poised to destroy life on Earth as we know it, and prevention an insurmountable task achievable only by those saintly enough to forgo nearly all modern conveniences. Instead, this exhibit struck me as a calm call to action. Individuals and groups working to lead by example, artists and scientists alike journeying to the farthest reaches of our globe to do their part. Portraying humans not as a blight upon the beauty of nature, Vanishing Ice chronicled past and present generations falling in love with their planet. And this is what I learned. Ice is very important. It's not just frozen water. 75% of the Earth's available fresh water is frozen in ice. 1.75 billion people rely exclusively on glacier-fed rivers for their water supply. The white of ice also reflects the sun's heat back into the atmosphere, which reduces climate fluctuation. This is an image of the West Rongbuk Glacier and Mount Everest, the above taken in 1921 and the below taken in 2009. This shows glacial melt. Scientists estimate about 1,700 billion tons of carbon to be contained within the existing layer of permafrost. That's 2 times the amount of carbon currently in our atmosphere. As global temperatures increase, the ice begins to melt, and organic matter that had been frozen is now being processed by microorganisms who then respire the carbon as methane and CO2 into the atmosphere, which are greenhouse gases. This creates a positive feedback loop shown in the figure on the right. This topic relates to cellular respiration, which we learned about in class. As glaciers and sea ice melt, sea level continues to rise. Over the past century, we have seen a dramatic increase of 4 to 8 inches on average. 2/3 of the Earth's population lives within 60 miles of the seacoast, where rising sea levels can have devastating consequences. The annual rate of rise has gone up by 0.13 inches a year over the past 20 years. This is 2 times faster than the average speed from the past 80 years. This relates to the topic of human impact on the environment. Sea ice melt also affects delicate aquatic ecosystems. As more ice melts away, larger areas of ocean are exposed to the atmosphere. CO2 in the atmosphere then dissolves into the ocean, which lowers the pH level. In conjunction, as icebergs and ice sheets melt, large volumes of fresh water are released into the ocean, which in turn affects pH. Combined with low levels of calcium and carbonate, which are vital in the production of many marine organism shells, entire ecosystems can be affected. This shows the topic of human influence on ecosystems. This is an image of me enjoying the Vanishing Ice Museum. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.